Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will learn how to make perfect strawberry panna cotta at home. Stay with us to discover simple tips for creating a silky and elegant dessert. Imagine a dessert that glides off your spoon with a silky velvet texture. It looks like it belongs in a high-end Italian bistro. However, it only takes a few minutes of active work in your own kitchen. This is the magic of strawberry panna cotta. By combining heavy cream and fresh fruit, you create a treat that balances richness with a bright, summery acidity. It's the kind of dish that makes people think you've spent hours over a hot stove when you've actually just mastered a simple mixing technique. If you enjoy desserts that aren't overly sugary, this one is for you. Unlike heavy cakes or dense brownies, panna cotta feels light on the palate. The cooling sensation of the chilled cream makes it a favorite for warm weather. Because it requires a few hours to set in the fridge, it's a stress-free option for hosting. You can prepare it the night before and focus entirely on your guests. Let's look at why this classic dessert remains a staple for home cooks everywhere. Why strawberry panna cotta is the perfect no-bake treat. Heat is often the enemy during a busy afternoon of hosting. One of the best things about strawberry panna cotta is that it requires absolutely no oven time. You only need to warm the cream on the stovetop for a few minutes. This keeps your kitchen cool and saves you from the technical worries of baking, such as rising dough or burnt edges. It's a reliable recipe even for those who don't consider themselves skilled bakers. In addition to being easy, this dessert celebrates the natural flavor of the fruit. In March and April, strawberries begin to reach their peak. Their natural tartness cuts through the fat of the heavy cream perfectly. This contrast ensures the dish doesn't feel heavy or cloying. Because the recipe relies on simplicity, the quality of your ingredients truly shines. Furthermore, this is a champion of make-ahead planning. Most hostesses struggle with timing their courses. With a set custard, that pressure disappears. You can pour the mixture into beautiful glass bowls or small jars a day in advance. When it's time for dessert, you just pull them out of the refrigerator. This allows you to stay present at the dinner table rather than rushing back to the kitchen to finish a complicated plate. It's an efficient yet sophisticated way to end any meal. The simple secret to a silky texture every single time. The hallmark of a great panna cotta is its wobble. It should be firm enough to hold its shape but soft enough to melt instantly in your mouth. To achieve this, you must handle the gelatin with care. First, always bloom your gelatin in cold liquid. This means letting the powder sit in a small amount of milk or water for about 5 minutes. As it absorbs the moisture, it swells and ensures there are no lumps in your final product. That's the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.